Looking at what we call unit number 2. The smaller piece on the floor is a motor generator that produces DC to excite the main machine. The thing that looks like a spider just underneath you is the main generator. That particular unit is rated at about 510 kW. That's unit number 3. Again, that's another generator. The top portion is the exciter, the DC, and then the larger ring is actually the generator that produces AC. That little part that you see spinning inside is actually a nut, a large nut that is keeping two pieces of shafting together. Again, that is the rotor on the exciter that creates the DC to excite the machine. It's like a motor in reverse. It's actually creating DC electricity. On the original switchgear, which is probably, like I said, 1910 vintage, back then all switches were open. Everything was mounted on 1¼ inch thick stone. That's actually slate. That is a synchroscope. That was used to synchronize the machine with the voltage on the grid. Again, more of the switchgear. Each generator had its own switch, plus there was a main switch for the entire facility, which has been removed now. That's the switchgear that is now in control. That was installed 1993. It gave us the opportunity to automate the machines so that we could stop them easily. All of the stuff you're looking at right now are relays that would take the machine offline if there was some kind of fault. Those are required by the utility. The third generator in the building, that happens to be a horizontal machine. That one has been out of service since 1994. That is about a 750 kW machine. Those are pen stocks. One is 6 feet in diameter, one is 5 feet in diameter. Those bring river water right to the turbines. They're steel and they've been lined in shotcrete. Right now you're looking at a close-up of the shaft that runs that whole unit. We're presently just above the turbine, just above the water. That's the head cover. And now you're focused on the rotor. That's the rotor of the machine, and it's actually producing AC. Those are little toy ducks we've collected over the years that have gotten past the net for the annual duck race during the balloon festival, and we're just keeping track. We have had some actually go through the turbines and come through the other side unharmed. There they are. There's the proof. Presently, we're running 150 cubic foot seconds of water. The facility has a total capacity to run 700 cubic feet of water. Our allotment is 150, and therefore that's what we're running at. With additional water, we obviously could start more turbines and produce more electricity.